All right, so we got both feet rigged. Last thing we're going to do is go ahead and kind of put everything together, organize it the way it needs to be, and we are going to connect our knee controllers, and then we'll be done. So the knee controllers are going to be connected to the rotate plane solver, which is the one we connect from the hip down to the knee. So it's going to be uh, grab the knee controller, which is going to be the parent, grab the IK handle, which is the one that goes from hip to knee, or hip to ankle, I mean. Go to constrain, pull vector, and then click add. Okay? Knee, uh, constraint, pull vector. There you go. So now when we grab the knees, we can rotate them, and you'll see that they work. All right, let's go ahead and organize all this. So I have my right foot controller, right knee, and then I have the right toe control. So that needs to go under the right foot controls. So I'm going to take all of this, the right foot con, left foot con, right knee con, left knee con, and that's actually going to go under the placement controller, okay, under the con group. So that's going to be world con, placement con, and we're going to place it here. The right foot and left foot will be siblings of the placement controller. Now, for the knee controllers, we could do we could do two things. We could make them siblings, or we could make them children of the foot controllers. Here's the theory behind it. When you're walking, making a character walk, you can freely animate this knee controller. Okay, if it's a sibling of the foot controller, you can throw it out in front of it. You can move it around, whatever you want to do, but you do need to animate it. If you make the knee controller a nested child of the foot controller, it will always stay in front of it. So if I take the knee controller and drop it under the right foot con, when I move the right foot con, you'll see it always stays in front. But I can still adjust it if I want to. Both ways are valid. Um, in a lot of rigs, you can actually switch between the two. You can say that you can tell the knee that you want it to be um, be a child of the foot or be free on its own, whatever you want to do. So, for this one, let's just go ahead and just make these two children of the left and right foot. So we'll just go and put them under there. Right foot, left foot. We'll put that under placement con. And there we go. So we need to test and make sure this works. I'm going to grab the world controller, move it around. Nothing's jumping or janking or going crazy. Grab the placement controller. Looks good. Looks good. Now here's the test. A root controller should not control the feet when it's in IK mode. And it does not. We want the character to be able to squat. That's good. That's exactly what we want. So we're going to go ahead and just leave it like that. All right. And let's just check everything here. Make sure we got everything nice and organized. Joints group, mesh group, ribbon spine group, con group. Looks good. And that'll be it. That'll be where we finish up for this assignment. So get to this point where we have two functional legs with all of these attributes and knee controllers and make sure their placement is under the root, under the placement controller, but not a child of the root controller. Okay, so we want to make sure that these feet controllers do not move with the root. Notice how they're not moving. We want to be able to move them independently. Okay, and then that'll be it. You can move on to, I believe, IK/FK switch for the arm. So that should be fun. All right, that'll be it.